Today, the Supreme Court is the most powerful court in the United States. Its decisions cannot be revoked by any other court. Its power is held by 9 justices. Where did this power come from? It resulted from a case between 2 men, William Marbury and James Madison. This is their story. 2 days before his term was to end, outgoing President John Adams appointed 58 Federalist officials in an attempt to reduce the incoming Republican power. One of these officials was William Marbury, who had been appointed a Justice of the Peace of the District of Columbia. The next day, the Senate approved all of the appointments, but the commissions for each appointment had to be delivered for the appointments to become official. With so little time left in the Adams presidency, it was impossible to deliver all the commissions. Finally, Adams stepped down, to be replaced by Republican Thomas Jefferson. Secretary of State John Marshall assumed that his successor would deliver the remaining commissions and left his post to become the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. However, Thomas Jefferson instructed James Madison, the new Secretary of State, not to deliver the remaining commissions, believing that since Adams' presidency had expired, the commissions were void. Madison complied and the commissions remained undelivered. The stage was set for a court case. William Marbury appealed directly to the Supreme Court. He argued that under the Judiciary Act of 1789, the Supreme Court had the power to issue a writ of mandamus, a document which would force Madison to deliver the commissions. However, the Judiciary Act of 1789 was an expansion to Article 3 of the Constitution, which did not give the Supreme Court this power. Did Congress have the power to add to the Constitution? 13 days later, the court reached a verdict. Chief Justice John Marshall presented the decision. Marbury had the right to the appointment. However, the Judiciary Act of 1789, which gave the Supreme Court power to issue the commission, was ruled to be unconstitutional, as the court decided that the Constitution could not be added to by Congress. As a result, the Supreme Court could not give William Marbury the commission. And so James Madison won the case.